It's our goal to give everyone a 5-star experience. And when we receive great feedback, it motivates us to do even more. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. It's easy to see why this one is one of our favorites, because we work so hard on improving our processes and providing impeccable service. Not only is great feedback appreciated, we're thrilled to share it. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best. Give us the chance to earn a 5-star review from you too. We're glad you had the chance to come and visit us today. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.